ISTQB Foundation Level question 506. A number of critical bugs are fixed in the software. All the bugs are in one module related to reports. The test manager decides to do regression testing only on the reports module. What is the appropriate regression testing approach? A. The test manager should do only automated regression testing. B. The test manager is justified in his decision because no bug has been fixed in other modules. C. The test manager should only do confirmation testing. There is no need to do regression testing. D. Regression testing should be done on other modules as well because fixing one module may affect other modules.
Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis.
Correct answer is D, according to ISTQB Syllabus. When fixing critical bugs in one module, reports module, there is a risk that these changes could have unintended side effects on other parts of the system. Modules often interact with each other. Changes in one module, e.g. reports, might affect data retrieval, UI updates, or performance in other areas. Even if no direct changes were made to other modules, shared functions, databases, or APIs might be impacted. Impact analysis should be done to determine which parts of the system need regression testing. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer A is not correct, because automated tests are helpful, but manual exploratory testing may be required for critical fixes. Automated tests might not cover all possible regression issues. Answer B is not correct, because even though no bugs were fixed in other modules, the fixes in the reports module might still introduce unintended defects in other parts of the system. Answer C is not correct, because confirmation testing checks only that the fixed bugs are resolved. Regression testing ensures that new issues have not been introduced elsewhere due to the fix. My recommendation: please remember maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3, maintenance testing in the ISTQB syllabus. I suggest to figure out this section on your own. I am sincerely sure that you will pass the ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level exam if you thoroughly watch through all the questions on my video channel ISTQB Questions. And once your dream comes true. Never give up!